Let's watch some TV.
Hi, it's Vince with Shamwa.
I hate this guy. Tempting, but no. This is my favorite movie.
Hello, my beautiful shining stars. I am Miss Darvis, and today I'm going to be your substitute teacher. And welcome to this class on the endocrine system. Today we're going to be mastering the organs and their functions. The endocrine system is made of 8 major glands. Glands are groups of cells that produce and secrete chemicals for the body. These glands include the pineal gland, the hypothalamus, thyroid gland, thymus, pancreas, adrenal gland, and the testes for males and the ovaries for women, like myself. Did you know that almost every organ in the body is affected by the endocrine system? Well, they are. Now back to the glands. Nerve cells in the hypothalamus control the pituitary glands by producing chemicals that either stimulate or suppress hormone secretions from the pituitary. The pituitary gland is considered the most important gland in the system and located in the back of the brain. It is divided into the anterior lobe and the posterior lobe. The anterior lobe produces hormones such as growth hormones, prolactin, thyrotropin, and corticotropin. The pituitary also secretes endorphins, pronounced endorphins, chemicals that act on the nervous system and reduce feelings of pain. The thyroid produces hormones that control the rate at which cells burn fuels from food to produce energy. Attached to the thyroid are 4 tiny glands that function together called the parathyroids. They release parathyroid hormone, which regulates the level of calcium in the blood with the help of calcitonin, which is produced in the thyroid. The adrenal cortex produces hormones called corticosteroids that influence or regulate salt and water balance in the body. The adrenal medulla produces hormones such as epinephrine, also called adrenaline. Epinephrine increases blood pressure and heart rate when the body experiences stress. Those are the adrenal glands. The pineal body secretes melatonin, a hormone that may help regulate when you sleep at night and when you wake in the morning. The pancreas produces 2 important hormones, insulin and glycogen. They work together to maintain a steady level of glucose, or sugar, in the body, and to keep the body supplied with fuel to produce and maintain stores of energy. The testes produce hormones as well. They secrete hormones called androgens, and the most important of which is testosterone. The female reproductive system had the ovaries and are located in her pelvis. They produce eggs and secrete the female hormones estrogen and progesterone. And those are the glands. Thank you. Woo! Cell phone. Thank you. Let me tell you something about Janice Ian. We were best friends in middle school. I know, so embarrassing. I don't even, whatever. So in 8th grade, I started to notice that she'd be hanging out in the nurse's office a lot, and I never used to see her. And then they moved to Indiana, and Janice was like not the same after that. Like, I noticed that she'd be in the bathroom like every 5 seconds, and she was always thirsty. She also lost a lot of weight and was always numb or have fatigue or weak. And then when I tried to ask her about it, she'd be like, it's nothing. And I'd be like, I'm just trying to find out what's going on, you know? And then for my birthday party, which was a Candyland theme party, I was like, Janice, I did some research and I can't invite you because I think you have diabetes. I mean, I couldn't have someone with diabetes at a candy themed party. There was going to be loads of sugary food there. I mean, right? She has diabetes. She had the symptoms. So then her mom called my mom and was yelling at her that I was being stereotypic, and it was so bad. And then she like dropped out of school because no one would talk to her, and then she like cut off all her hair and came back in the fall for high school. She was totally weird, and I guess she's on meds now.
Oh my god, I love your shirt. Where'd you get it? Oh, it was my mom's from the 80s.
Vintage, adorable.
Thanks.
That's the ugliest shirt I've ever seen.
Hello, I'm Russell. Are you in need of any assistance today, sir? I'm here to help you. I'm here to tell you how hormones work. Hormones are molecules of the endocrine system, which are released into the body to signal the events inside your body. Please, Mr. Ferguson, I'm almost done, I promise. For example, insulin is released by the pancreas into the body's circulation, which it may reach the liver and signal the liver to build up glycogen. Now, Mr. Ferguson, that's how hormones work. Please, Mr. Ferguson, please let me in. I'm scared.